Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, you've not done that, make sure you do me a favor by subscribing, like, share, also make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, last week, right, now that I would say natural gas actually closed bullish. Then there was a gap opening which actually wiped out a lot of people's profits, right? I mean, one price actually opened there. I actually talked about it. You should actually close your trade on Friday. Do not leave it open till next week because there usually be a gap opening, and that gap opening usually opens lower to when the price actually open higher. So the best thing is actually close your trade. So this week also, we will definitely going to have a gap opening, and I think that gap opening is also going to open below, but I can be wrong if it opens higher than that. But I think there will be gap opening below. If manages it opens below, then I think that natural gas will continue to drop low to take out this level, right? So you might see a drop on natural gas got to take out these lows for the week. At the same time, this natural gas can see a rejection. If in case it opens higher than that, I think you will see that bullish move. Reason is that this level was once our support level and resistance level. You can see that we were once ranging within this level, resistance and the support level. I actually talked about this if you are following consistently. Right now we have gotten to this support level, but this gap opening, I think we actually determine the movement for this week. If we can manage to see this gap opening open below, we are very much likely to see it drop to take out these lows, or we might see a bullish move to come out to take this resistance level. But with the movements that I'm currently seeing on natural gas, I feel we would actually get a drop to take out this low, which is a level of 2.070. That is the two level I'll be expecting natural gas to actually drop to. Then probably once we can take out this level, then I'll be expecting another bullish move on natural gas, by the way. So on this daily time frame, let's sit on this daily time frame. Literally, you can see there's a drop here, correction drop. Correct. This is a bullish move. This is kind of like a drop. We are very much likely to see this drop again. Going to tap this, probably will I say double bottom before we start getting that bullish move. At the same time, I can be very wrong, whereby price will start going bullish to tap out this resistance level. So that is it. So if in case you are interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, all you just have to do is check the link in the comment section. You see a link to this Patreon channel. So this is exactly one of these trades that we are watching out for. Good. I'll be giving out a good setup on NASDAQ 100, a setup on US 30, gold, natural gas, S&P 500. That is if I can spot one good setup that there is high probability or higher chance of us winning that trade. I'm going to share to this Patreon channel. I want you to actually give it a try for just a month. And if in case you want to, you need some proof if you are making profits, I want you to actually check this link. You'll see March 6 to 10. You can see that majority of all our trade here we actually got our targets. We actually profited from it. I think one of the loss we actually had, if you take a look at it, this is about 6, and you actually had about one loss in this category, and that is Euro AUD. But it's fine. With the profits we made on gold, we were able to cover our loss. We actually made a profit on S&P 500. We actually made a profit on US 30, which is massive. The same thing with NASDAQ 100, same thing with USD, Singapore dollar. You can also check the channel, you see a playlist. Check or look at all those playlists. You see that majority of our trade, I would say more than 80% of this analysis I've given out here actually profitable. Profits, we actually hit our profits. So it is a very, very profitable setup I'll be sharing here. If in case you're interested, you can just give it a try for just a month and you get it. With just 20 USD, you will definitely get it. So this is what I'm watching out for on natural gas for this week.